I think we got it going now, guys. I'm gonna make some parts. We're gonna put a piece of this here plastic, kind of flat like this, you know, flat. We're gonna make it wrinkle. Oh. All ready to go, making some parts, guys. That's if everything goes well, nothing goes wrong. You know what I mean? It's time to go. Let's make a part. Are ready? You'll see that happen there real fast. Bam. Fast. Yeah, it was. We'll do another one in a minute. Let y'all see that first. Oh, yeah. There we go. That's what happens to that flat piece of plastic after I get done with it, guys. Look at that. What do you think? Backside? Come out pretty good. I think I'm gonna stop for tonight. I'm just kind of wore out. It's been a long day. So guys, take it easy and do something. Enjoy your life. Be safe. Take care of yourself. Love all your family. And guess what? Come see me when you get a chance. We'll go to the creek. See you next time.